Impossible thing number 3. We were offered an opportunity to launch on the Virgin Orbit launch out of Cornwall. We were given, at that time, 5 months to be ready for the launch pad. So in 5 months, we designed a satellite, we developed it, we built it, and we qualified it, and we shipped it down to Cornwall. That was a huge, I believe it is the UK record from basically complete scratch to satellite design. We're unlikely to reach the world record, which is Sputnik 2 of 28 days. But it's huge move from the team to be able to pull that together. So you can see it getting integrated here. This was us down at Spaceport Cornwall. The unfortunate part was that we rapidly built that satellite, got it to the launch pad in 5 months, and then that launch, from being at the launch pad, was delayed by 7 months. Very difficult time I had informing some of our investors, some of whom are in this room, and I won't point them out. Every 2 weeks, sorry, you're going to need to rebook your hotel to Cornwall or rebook your train or your flight because they've pushed it again. And so for 2 weeks, every 2 weeks, that got pushed out by, in the end, by up to 7 months.